Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 2 of Power BI playlist. Today we are going to understand how we can load data from Excel file and from CSV file. Open the Power BI desktop. Go to blank report. On home tab, click on get data. If we are planning to load data from Excel file, click here Excel workbook, or you can click on more and you will see a dialog box where you can go to file and choose Excel workbook. Click on connect. Go to the folder from where you would like to load a Excel file. We have one file here named business.xlsx. Click open. It will open a dialog box where it will show you the sheets available in this file. So we have a sheet named customers, orders, and products. So you can see it will show you the preview of your data from the Excel file. Click on load. Your data from Excel file is being loaded into Power BI. You can see in data pane on right hand side, your customers sheet is having these columns, order sheet is having these columns, and product sheet is having these columns. Now on left hand side, if you go to table view, you can see the data from your tables, means customer table, orders table, and products table. Also, if you go to model view, you will be able to see the tables or Excel sheets which we have uploaded and their relations, means the common columns between them. So Power BI automatically identifies the columns which are connected to each other and establish the relation between them. Now in next segment, we will see how we can load data from CSV file. We will close Power BI, open it again, click on blank report, click on get data, click on more, click on file. You can see second option text/CSV. Click on connect. Now I have downloaded 3 CSV files separately. So same like in the Excel sheet, we were having different sheets. Here we have separate CSV files. So first we'll load customer.csv. Click open. It will preview the data. Click load. In the data pane, customers CSV is uploaded. If you go to table view here, you will see the preview from your customers.csv file. Now click home. Click again on get data. You can directly click from here as well, text/CSV. This time we'll choose orders.csv. Click open. Click on load and it will load the orders.csv file as well. Now again, we go to get data. Click on text/CSV. We have products.csv. We click on open. Click load and it will load products.csv. Because these are CSV files, these are separate from each other. Therefore, we have loaded them separately. Now, if we go to model view, you will see still Power BI is able to establish connection between them because they are having a common column.
I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.